First part of the resort. We got ski lifts. They took all the ski lifts off, it looks like, or they're putting new ones on. They got children's ski and snowboard school of daycare. We got Aspen Cafe. Welcome to Sierra. Tickets, rentals, ski school, and fun. And then we got the ski slope up here. And yep, got a couple different ski slopes. And we got some tractors here. They just put in that new shed up there, that new building. We got all the jet skis. This is where I come up every night to try to find the bear. This is where I had my tent. It was eaten alive and messed up by a big old bear. Anyways, this is where I come every night after I get here around 7 or so, and I look to see what the sunset looks like. The guys were looking at me funny, like they're not too sure who I was, so I might have to talk to them on my way back down the hill. But anyways, all this was ruined by the fire. Then we got your big trucks and your cats and your road scrapers, and then all your little cool automobiles down there. But they park their trucks so close together so the bears can't get into them, because they'll open them right up. They know how to open these fucking doors. And then we're gonna go and check out these awesome looking machines. How about some heat? I'm gonna watch that Barbie movie when I get back down. Look at these cool machines. Look at how they look. Aren't they neat? They're pretty cool, aren't they? They're just responsible, I think, for making sure the snow was plowed. And then you got all the snowboarding things for them to jump off of. It's a chilly night tonight. That wind is cold. That looks like an old submarine. Yep. So now I'm going to show you where I'm probably going to be staying when I buy my trailer, if I really decide if I'm going to do it or not. I think it's it's due. I've been waiting 5 years and putting it off. I think it's something I need to do. And this is where they have all the trailers. This is where all the Atlas boys are staying. The Bears, if the Bears are here, they always get in these trailers, these guys' trailers first. But it's kind of cool, right? I'll show you where I think I'm gonna put my trailer. Right there. Right there in that little alcove. Perfect little private little spot. Right there. And then I'll save wear and tear on my truck. You know, I'll save wear and tear on all that. But man, it sure is getting chilly, boy. It's chilly up here too. Right here is where I always see the eyes. Over by that big spool. Just sitting there. And I know it's big because it's so far away, you know. But anyways. And then this is where I see eyes up here sometimes when I shine my flashlight. I'm gonna be going home with a bunch of this truckload of this sawdust whenever I fucking finally go home. But all this is being sent to a certain spot. This is the stuff that we're moving now. We're trying to get it off the mountain, I guess. Maybe they're gonna make new slopes. I'm not sure why they're doing it, but it's fucking keeping us here, that's for sure. And then they sell all this wood, this sawdust. They sell it to as a company that's buying it all. The trucks come every 3 days. Brr. And this is us. Brr. Damn. Lord in heaven. Yes, it is.